Hey, welcome to the beersjackofbbq. Check out the Wagyu Ribeyes we cooked on the Monument's new grill. Hey, I'm Craig, Monument County Hammers Jack. Yes, Monument's new grill. We got some beautiful Wagyu ribeyes here, decently thick. Probably gonna warm them up before we sear them. But this grill here, the M415BZ, if I think I have that right, I'm gonna double check because I need to always cheat on that. I had it right. I don't do that often. Well, we got these grills, so I'm gonna warm them up on an indirect side for a little bit. Get them probably not super because they aren't real as far as footprint big, a little bit thicker. But this thing here has a broil zone on it, and we had it fired up before, and we'll show you a picture of how red hot that gets in that center area. So gonna do that, gonna sear these off. It's gonna be a good meal. So let's get them on the grill. All right, so we're gonna throw the steaks on. I got this side of the grill off, and you can actually, depending on the camera's picking it up, you can see the lights aren't on here. And we're just gonna start warming them up. And we'll see what it runs at. If it runs a little sizzles because I had those grates on to have everything clean. But we'll see what the grill's running at, but we'll try to keep it around 300 degrees maybe on the dial here, maybe a little higher, just to get these warmed up to probably less than 100 because we wanna do more searing on the broil zone over here and see how that works. All right, just gonna flip them and turn them around a little bit. Kind of promote some even cooking. So this one's a little bit thicker. We'll see how that plays out. And this one's thinner, but they were both running right around 81. One's 81 and the other one, I'm waiting for it to change here, 79. So bring it back, like I said, maybe 100, maybe 110, but we're not gonna let them like cool down or so they start going the other direction. We're gonna just turn this up over here and just start searing right away. So that's the reason why I'm gonna pull them off a little bit sooner than, if everybody remembers what I do is about 115. Probably 105, we're gonna start searing. All right, so I just turned everything on to get everything going here, and I'm gonna start moving them over and we'll start searing them. We're gonna try a minute aside, and I want to put it over the broil zone here and see how that plays out. All right, so that zone is hot, and these are a little fattier, so see that sear on that one already. All right, you can see we got a lot of action happening here with these. I've only been going, I've been doing less than 30 seconds here in some cases because it's really ripping. Oh, we're almost a little charred on that one. I only did about 30 seconds. A little bit more and we're gonna be done here. Temperature for them, one's at 117 and one's at 115. So, but with this amount of heat on them, the carryover is gonna get us to that 125 with what we're shooting for. Here's the one, that's a nice looking steak. And there's the other one. Boy, that broil zone really does a nice job. I'm gonna turn them off for now. See you on the cutting board. As always, cheers. Here we are, end of the cook. Monument Grills Mesa Series 415 BZ has the broil zone. That's, I didn't even think about it. That's what the BZ must stand for, the broil zone. But Boy, that thing really was amazing on the Broil Zone side of it. You saw the flames we had coming off of that and the searing that was happening here. I almost thought I went too far, but it's looking perfect here. The carryover though, I might have went too far. Even though I pulled them off and they were at about 118, the carryover went pretty far. So let's see how we did. But these Wagyu ribeyes should be pretty good. I think I might be in the medium range here, but being that the content is so good, oh no, I think we kind of hanging on to the medium rare there yet. Little piece that's just hanging on here for me to eat. Wow, that is going to be a good dinner. Forgot to mention I did salt brine 24 hours in advance because that first bite, that crust and that little bit of that salt flavor crust is outstanding. So hopefully everybody's seeing. Subscribe to the channel, click the little bell, get notifications, and we'll see you next time.